To get rid of face wrinkle, we are going to be making use of potato. Now let's get the juice out of this. So we're going to apply a little bit of force so we can press out the juice. And there we have a little bit of juice. That's basically what I'm going to be needing. And then we're going to also be making use of tomato. Now tomato is one natural remedy that is best for the skin because it gets rid of unwanted hair. It helps the skin glow, and it's also a great moisturizer to the skin, therefore smoothing the skin and leaving it very glowing and polished. Grate the tomato. Alright, so that is okay. And also we're going to be extracting just the juice of the tomato. You can as well use the tomato paste, but in this we're going to be extracting the juice. And thereafter we're going to be making use of egg. Now you can use brown egg or white egg, whichever one is perfect. Okay, now egg is a great skin tightener. It helps to diminish large and open pores, and it's also a great remedy for wrinkles and fine lines. It therefore helps to reduce the appearances of age spots and dark spots. We'll be needing a little bit of the egg. So we're going to be taking both the egg whites and the yolk. Just a little bit of each will be okay. Alright. Can see that. And then after we're going to make use of Fuller's Earth Clay powder. Now this wonderful powder is a wrinkle killer. It's a fine line killer. It helps to smoothen the skin, and it also helps to leave the skin glowing, youthful and radiant. It would tighten up and get rid of double chin and double jawline. Half tablespoon will be perfect. And then we're going to go in with extra virgin olive oil. Okay, now olive oil is one remedy and one oil that is very important in your beauty regime, because it also helps to firm up the skin, it closes open pores, it polish up the skin, and is great for this type of season like Harmattan season. It's leave your skin moisturized. And for the olive oil, just a little will go a long way, and that is how much we need. Now we're just going to stir all our ingredients together to give us a very nice paste, and the consistency should be friendly enough to apply generously and easily on the face. And this is basically what you need to glow, remove wrinkles and get rid of fine lines. Okay, so for this you can actually use it like 3 times in a week. Okay, you can refrigerate it, but not too long, because of the egg is not going to stay too long. Okay. Hey, good morning. Alright, so here's the treatment, and for today I've actually not applied nothing. I've not even washed my face yet, so I just want to apply this, and so my face can continually look young and beautiful and really glowing. Okay, so I'm going to be using a brush to do that. It doesn't smell too bad. I was expecting the egg smell though. And it's actually very chill. Alright, so after you've applied it generously, like cover everywhere on your face like this, then you can just hold it on for some minutes. Okay, let it like dry a little bit, let it dry, and then when it is dry you can wash it off. You can wash it off to lukewarm water or a normal water, and you are going to be loving your skin. If you want to go for a wedding ceremony and all of that, you can just apply this, and it's just going to instantly glow your skin and make your skin so polished. It's going to tighten up your skin. When you leave it to dry, it's just going to tighten up your skin. Okay, after that, then you can go wash it off with with normal water or warm water. Anyone you can use, you wash it off. Okay, so I'm gonna be waiting for a little while now to dry, and after that I'll go wash it off. Okay, so when you're done washing, you're going to notice that your face is going to be a little oily. Now you can actually use toilet soap to clear the oil. That oil is actually because of the olive oil. Okay, so after that, then you can take your bath just like the way I'm going to do. later, and just use a very mild soap, okay, and you're good to go. Okay, so if you do love the video, thumbs up and subscribe, and please share the video, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye bye.